Hello everyone, we are from Group 12 and for this web service module, we built a complete leave management REST API system using Spring Boot and MySQL. In our project, we have two main users, employee, admin, and employee can apply for leave, edit their leave, delete pending leave, and view their own leave record. So admin can also view all the leave requests and approve or get them. In here, first, we have created a leave entity, which is basically data model. Each leave record has an ID, employee name, start date, end date, and leave reason. Also, a status field use an uncontrolled leave status, which has three values pending, approved, and rejected. Whenever an employee apply for a leave, automatically set the status to pending at the beginning. Uh, Next, we have implemented our login API. This is a post request role API login. Here we check the username, password, and selected role. We kept login simple for testing. If the login is okay, the API return a JSON response saying login successful and their user role as well. In here, employee interact with the system using five main API, apply leave. In there, create a new leave and leave record and store it in the database. And get leave by username. This return only the employee leave list. And update leave, employee can only update pending leave if the leave is already approved or rejected. The API block and update. And then delete leave, same rule as previous, only pending leave can be deleted. Then get single leave, this fetch only one leave record by the ID. And then for the admin, we built three main API, which is get all leave, show all the leave requests from every employee, and apply leave, change the leave status to pending from pending to approved, and rejected leave, change the status to rejected. So that's all about our all backend logic. Now Nilachi will demonstrate the API testing from Postman.
Thank you, Anshara. I will start the Postman testing. First, I am going to test the login API. I open Postman and select the post method and the URL. In the body, I enter a simple employee login. Now, I click send. You can see the response says status success. Role is employee and the message says employee login successful. Now, let me try a wrong password. I change the password and click send again. This time the API returns a 401 error and the message says invalid employee credentials. So the login API works correctly. Thank you. Over to you, Lasundu.
Thank you, Nilakshi. I will demonstrate the apply leave API. This is a post API employee apply the body. I enter request like this, and the API returns a success message saying leave applied successfully, and you can see the newly created leave with status pending. And I would like to invite Udari to continue the demonstration.
Thank you, Lasindu. Now I will test the API that shows all leaves of one employee. This is a GET request, and you can see the response list showing all leaves that belong to employee 1. Each item shows the ID, dates, reason, and the current status. So the filtering by employee name is working. Nipun, over to you.
Thank you, Dari. I will handle the update leave API and I will test the update leave API. Then endpoint is put API employee update ID. Here is I choose a leave with status pending, for example ID. In the body, I write this one from date to date and reasons. And then you can see the system update it and returns the updated leave data. Now I try to update the leave that is already approved, and when click send again, and the API gives an error message saying only pending leaves can be updated. Then I over to Taraka to continue the demonstration.
Thank you, Nipun. Next, I will show the delete API. The endpoint is API employee delete ID. I selected the pending leave, for example, ID. When I click here, the response says leave delete successfully. Now I will try to deleting a leave that I already approved. The API responded only pending leave can be deleted. Thank you. Next, I will invite Sajinta to continue the demonstration.
Thank you, Taraka. My registration number is 20 ABC 4550. I will test the admin side APIs. First, I test get API slash admin slash leaves. When I click send, and I get the full list of leaves requests from every employees. Now I test the approve API, post API admin approves 10. I click send and responses leave approved. Finally, I test the reject APIs, post slash API slash admin slash reject slash 20. I say system change the status rejected. So the admin workflow works smoothly. My part is over. Over to you, Chanude.
Thank you, Sachinta. So let's discuss the UI. So this is our login page. So when we log in as an employee, so you can see there are two main options like my leaves and the apply leaves. So when you go to the my leaves and apply leaves, so apply leave page, you say enter dates and their reason. So when you call the apply leave page, it's called apply API. So when you go to the my leave page, actually employees can see their pending leaves and list of leaves, so they can edit and delete their leaves using the button. So when you log in, when you log in as a admin, actually admin can see all leave requests. So here they can approve or reject pending leaves. So actually this UI is connected to the backend using the REST APIs. So everything update immediately. So and that is the complete demonstration of our leave management system using REST APIs. So thank you.